In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to take a piece of text, duplicate it, and place that copy neatly on a new page in your document. This is perfect when you want to reuse a section, create a template, or split content cleanly without messing up your formatting. Start by selecting the text you want to duplicate. Click at the beginning of the section, hold and drag your cursor across the text until everything you need is highlighted. If the selection is long, click at the start, scroll to the end, hold Shift, and click again to capture the entire range. Take a moment to make sure you've included everything you need like headings or lists and excluded anything you don't want duplicated. With the text selected, copy it. You can right-click the highlight and choose Copy, use the Edit menu and select Copy or press the standard keyboard shortcut. When it's copied, your selection will stay highlighted and the content is now on your clipboard ready to paste. Next, move your cursor to where you want the new page to begin. To create that clean separation, go to the menu bar at the top and click Insert. From the Insert menu, hover over Break to see the available break options. Choose Page Break. This instantly pushes your cursor to the top of a brand new page, ensuring the content you're about to paste starts fresh and doesn't collide with the previous section. Page breaks are more reliable than hitting enter multiple times, and they keep your layout consistent even as you edit later. Now paste the text you copied. Right-click on the new page and select Paste. Use the Edit menu and choose Paste or press the standard Paste shortcut. Your duplicated text will appear on the new page, carrying over its formatting, styles, and most elements like images and links. Give it a quick scan to confirm everything looks correct and that headings, spacing, and lists preserve their structure. And that's it. Your duplication is done. You now have the original content on one page and a clean copy on the next, ready to edit independently. If you plan to make changes to the duplicate, consider updating headings or adding a note so you don't confuse the two versions later. Also, remember that page breaks are easy to remove. Just place your cursor above the break and backspace if you need to merge pages again. This simple workflow keeps your document tidy, professional, and easy to navigate as